2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, power sunroof, backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.